hate when this happens? Obnoxious sounds coming from outside your house, making it hard to do everyday tasks like working, sleeping, or watching your favorite shows? Well, we have a solution. High Performance's world-class windows. Our windows block 50% more noise than a typical double-pane window, letting you relax after your long days at work or after dropping off your kid from school. We are one of the very few dealers in the area that offers Anlin's STC 35 window systems. STC rating stands for Sound Transmission Class Rating, is a score given to a building's surface, a wall, ceiling, window, etc., based on its ability to reduce sound coming through it. In addition to these perks, our windows will modernize the look of your home, enhance comfort, and make it feel brand new. They also save money on electricity, giving you a tax credit, and help the planet. That's a win all around. Many customers think it's costly to reduce unwanted sound from your home. But now with High Performance's Noise Reduction Act, it is affordable to make this essential upgrade to your home. You'll be so proud of your windows, you'll want to show them off to your neighbors. Give us a call, ask about our low or zero interest and affordable monthly investment options. Click the link below, sign up, and be contacted by one of our window experts. Stop burning money on your old, dated windows that make your home noisy, less comfortable, and less stylish. Book soon and take advantage of our limited time offer to take you on vacation. Our vacation vouchers pay for a wide variety of cruises and condos with no strings attached other than buying our state-of-the-art windows. So what are you waiting for? Modernize your home today.